Hi Niger Tribe, I'm back with another video for you guys. In one of my first videos I made, green juice, I asked you all if you wanted a video on what to do with the juice pulp. Many of you said you wanted this, so here it is. I made 2 juices, 1 fruit and 1 vegetable. Here's a snippet of my previous video making the green juice and the subsequent juice pulp fiber. We'll start with the fruit juice pulp. This particular juice is pineapple, orange, and ginger with a few carrots. With this pulp, we're going to make fiber powder. Lay pulp on a dehydrator for 4.5 hours on 130 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't have a dehydrator, use your oven and put it on the lowest temperature. Once the pulp is dried out, blend it and place it in an airtight container. This powder, you can put it into water and drink it straight, smoothies, chia pudding, sprinkle it on some dairy-free ice cream, or add it to a dairy-free yogurt parfait. So many options. On to our second use, veggie burgers. We're going to use a veggie juice pulp for this. We're going to start by adding the veggie juice pulp and tomato paste to a food processor. This breaks up the long fibrous strands that we don't want to bite into. At this point, we'll add all of our ingredients. This is so customizable, guys. I'm seasoning these burgers as I did as a meat eater, so it's all about flavor.
Fire, 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 fire.
Be sure to taste as you go along. Now that we've mixed everything well, take half of the mixture and add it to a high-speed blender with a cup of water. Add the blended mixture to the remaining vegetable mixture and mix it well. Portion into patties and bake on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. On to our third use, homemade dog food. I have 3 4-legged kids that I truly love. Switching them to a raw diet has made such a huge difference in their energy, their coats, and their breath. It's also been far cheaper. So I'm starting by taking the strained quote-unquote juice sauce and I'm setting it to the side. Now I'm blending hearts, liver, and gizzards to add to ground turkey.
Fire, 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 fire.
After adding the organ mixture to the ground turkey, I'm adding the quote-unquote juice sauce and some of the vegetable fiber pulp to the mix and mixing. I section the meat mixture into compartments and freeze. My babies absolutely love their food, as you can see. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also share. Follow me on Instagram and like me on Facebook. Thank you for all of your support.
Back.